that song? Did you all hear that song? Yes, that's the sound of people tumbled with poverty. The sound of struggle, the sound of perseverance, and a dream that refused to die. So let me share a secret with you all. Something that I learned through my journey. Something that changed the way I view the world. Growing up, my meals were often just rice and salt. There were days when I would watch other kids enjoying their treats and snacks, while we made do whatever we had. It's hard, really hard, and sometimes heartbreaking. But in those humble meals, there was a spark of hope, a reminder that the present struggle is not the end of this journey. I remember the embarrassment of inviting friends over to our home, a small place, dimly lit with candles, filled with the noise of my father, and I fetching water to a distant pump, or in our native language we say, poso. I see the surprise in their eyes, in their faces. Yes, the difference between their homes and ours. That was the reality I never wanted to face, but it was ours. My father worked tirelessly, often swallowing his pride, asking for help from his siblings just to provide bare necessities. It was painful to watch, his face etched with worry, but still glowed with love. His determination, his refusal to give up was a fire, ignited my desire to do more, to dream bigger, and to achieve my goal. So now, here's the secret I promise with you all. Poverty is not a curse. It is a teacher. It pushes you to dig deeper, to work harder, and to hold on to hope when everything around you seems lost. It seems like the hardest thing to bear, but it also has the power to make you stronger, to shape you to be a better individual. So, as you face your own challenges in life, just remember this thing. They do not define you as an individual. They do not define you as a person. Just like my father, all of you can rise above and inspire others to move forward and never lose hope. Once again, poverty is not a crime. Thank you very much.
Prejudice